Welcome to Hartford Technology Rentals. Today, we're going to highlight the top reasons customers choose to rent the Epson C4000 printer. More importantly, we'll discuss when you might want to pick a different printer for specific jobs. In this video, we'll cover the highlights of the Epson C4000, how to use it, and where you can rent it. Let's kick things off with why the Epson C4000 could be the right fit for your events. While it has its limitations, it excels in several key areas. The C4000 is ideal for event registration areas, remote registrations, or any location with limited space. Its compact size doesn't compromise performance, offering a professional-grade printing solution in a small footprint. This printer is perfect for trade shows needing vibrant, color-rich prints for badges. It produces crisp, vivid colors, making it a great choice without requiring a larger or more expensive machine. If you have moderate and high-volume printing needs, the C4000 offers professional quality printing at a cost-effective price compared to high-end models. Event professionals will appreciate its user-friendly interface and straightforward maintenance, ensuring smooth workflows with minimal downtime. Ideal for events that need consistent output for day-to-day tasks, the C4000 delivers steady performance, making it a dependable option for routine event printing jobs. Now, let's discuss when the Epson C4000 might fall short. While it's great for general use, there are specific scenarios where another model might be more suitable. With a slower print speed, it may not suit businesses needing to print large volumes quickly with just one printer. Consider renting additional units for high-volume tasks. For businesses requiring robust wireless and cloud printing options, the C4000 may need a dedicated on-site Hartford technician for setup if you lack experience. High ink costs can add up over time for frequent, high-volume printing. Consider the Zebra ZD621 for lower ink costs, though it offers inferior badge printing capabilities. If you need to print large posters or signage, the compact C4000 won't handle those sizes. Speak with our dedicated technicians for a wide-format printer. Interested in renting the Epson C4000? Visit our website or speak to a rental consultant for personalized recommendations if you're unsure which printer to choose. We offer various rental options and packages to meet your needs. Contact our team to learn more. We beat any competitor's quote by 10%. Thanks for watching our overview of the Epson C4000 printer. To recap, we've covered its pros and cons, helping you determine if it's the right fit for your event. Visit our website or call us at our phone number to get a free rental quote for the Epson C4000 today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.